This process is Microsoft Defender's scanning engine, not malware, and 2 changes bring it back down without switching protection off. Right-click the Start button and select Terminal Admin. On Windows 10, that entry reads Windows PowerShell Admin. Click Yes on the prompt. Type set-mp preference space -scan avg CPU load factor space 20 and press Enter. Defender caps the scan at 50% of your CPU by default, and you're going to pull that down to 20. Scans will take longer to finish at a lower cap. 5 is the lowest value Windows accepts, so stay at 20 unless you're on a low-core laptop where 5 to 10 makes sense. Now check that it sticks. Type get-mp preference, then the pipe symbol, or you can copy from description. Select -object space scan avg CPU load factor and press Enter. You should see 20 print back. If it still reads 50, a work policy or tamper protection is overriding you, and the second fix is where to go. That cap will cover scheduled and on-demand scans, but not real-time protection. So open Task Manager. You can right-click the Start menu, Task Manager, click the CPU column to sort by it, and watch Antimalware Service Executable for a minute or two. 0 to 5% is normal. If it's still giving you issues, real-time scanning is what's causing it. Open Start, type Windows Security, and open it. In the left sidebar, select Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings, then scroll to the bottom for Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Yes on the prompt. If this page says some settings are managed by your organization, nothing here will help you, and you'll need your IT admin. One thing before you add anything, an exclusion will tell Defender to stop scanning that item from now on, so only add what you recognize. Click Add an Exclusion, pick Process, type MsMpEng.exe, and click Add. That's Defender's own scanning process, and this stops the engine from scanning itself. Back to Task Manager, give it a minute, then check the CPU column again. If Antimalware Service Executable has settled to a few percent, that's it, and a subscribe helps if this sorted it. Still high? Add one more exclusion. Click Add an Exclusion, choose Folder, and type C:\program data /Microsoft /Windows Defender /platform. Click Select Folder, and then copy it and paste it at the top here. Program data is hidden, so browsing won't get you there, which is why you have to type it. Click Select Folder, wait a minute, and look at Task Manager one more time. Skip anything you've read about the Disable Anti-Spyware Registry value or the Turn Off Microsoft Defender Antivirus policy. Windows has ignored both on Home and Pro editions since 2020, and tamper protection strips the changes back out.